Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Here's a quick analysis on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, Ondo, and Pepe. So let's get started without any further delay. So first, we'll analyze Bitcoin. Recently, on my previous market update video, I warned you to long Bitcoin from these levels. Gave you two levels. Number one was around 67,700, and at the same time gave you a DCA level at 66,900. And if you took both the entries, your average entry would be 67,300, right? So we are above 1 hour right now. I am in 6k plus profits right here. I've booked my 50% and stops are BE right now. So I'm expecting same TP, all time high 73,000. Above this level you may see an initial sell off, but for now the gurus you might have seen on Insta or those Twitter gurus are shorting this supply zone. All right, so this is basically a supply zone for those retails or those dump money who trade without a structure, right? The structure is bullish right here and they are basically shorting this supply zone, which does not make any sense, right? So basically you may see an initial sell off. Price got an initial rejection from this level, right? Like zoom this level, you would see that we have an initial rejection from this level. Okay, so this is basically to trap all those retails who are trading without an initial structure, right? So Bitcoin for now, I have same TP 73 and this 71,000 or 70,000, basically 200, right? But price is rejecting from this area to trap those retails. Don't get panicked. My trade is BE, but if it closes BE, I'm gonna wait for another opportunity, but will update you in that specific case. Okay, so this was all about Bitcoin. Don't get panicked if you see initial sell off from this fake supply zone, right? So let's get on to Ondo. If you missed Ondo, I clearly told you that we will buy Ondo in spot, but in case if you have missed Ondo, you can still accumulate it again from this specific box. Okay, I believe Ondo will come again, retest this level, right? Because those early traders who were waiting for the breakout are still not added their positions in this long trade, right? So we will wait. If price retests this box again, 1.097 to 1.05, basically if price comes towards this retest of basically the previous all-time high, you can again accumulate Ondo from this level. Okay, I will basically DCA it in this specific case. Okay, and if price comes towards this demand zone, that will be a golden opportunity to accumulate Ondo for multi-weeks or multi-months holding, right? Invalidation is same below this specific low. Okay, if you are taking this trade in futures and you don't know risk management, make sure you manage your liquidation, because it's basically a 15% non-leverage SL, and my first TP would be basically $1.5, which is almost 40 to 45% non-leverage spot buying, right? So this was all about Ondo. Ethereum is very interesting for now. Ethereum right here is looking interesting on 4-hour time frame. First of all, we'll analyze the structure, which is bullish. This demand got liquidated by this move down, and I already told you 50 35.90 level. Basically I bought Ethereum from this area and booked my profits at 38 to 20, basically, right? So for now Ethereum is again bullish as far this protected low is protected, right? So Ethereum is basically holding these bands. As far price is holding above these bands, I will basically wait for one or two more 4-hour closes. If those closes above these bands successfully, I'll be buying Ethereum again and will TP for 4k dollars, right? Stops basically below this low. If any 4-hour closes, that would be a simple invalidation of this setup, and in that case we'll wait for the retest of again this low, that will be 35,900, and we'll buy Ethereum again for multi-weeks or multi-months time frame, but that depends on later scenarios, right? So make sure not to long Ethereum right now. Wait for an 2 or 3 4-hour closes above these bands successfully. After that we will buy Ethereum. All right, but in case if Ethereum loses these bands, closes 4 hour below this protected low, it will automatically retest this level, right? So same case, we have another spot gem, that is Pepe. I already gave you Pepe in my last market update, but we'll quickly summarize that again right here. Okay, Pepe is still consolidating above these range highs. It's basically building up energy right here, but still will wait for a successful breakout, because if I analyze this breakout with volume, I don't have enough volume confirmation of this breakout. Okay, we can see the volume is below the average line, right? So we'll wait for Pepe. In case if Pepe holds above this box, and what does I mean by that is Pepe should give a good volume breakout right here. It should hold this box, and if it does hold, I'll be buying Pepe from this level again. And if it fails to hold this box, automatically Pepe will be retesting this band right here. That would be a buying opportunity. All right. So I guess that is enough for today. I will update these setups on my official Twitter. So make sure to stay tuned with my Twitter. All right, because price action changes every moment, every second. Right. So I guess that is enough for today. Have a nice weekend. Take care. Peace.